come to a comfortable seat, bringing your hands on top of your knees. We're going to begin with our sunshine arms ocean breath. Bringing your hands to the side of your body. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Open your mouth, big audible ocean wave. Again, breathe in, big ocean wave. Think about calming your body with each exhalation. Breathe in and breathe out. Hands to your knees, letting go of your day's stress, dropping your chin to your chest. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, let your right ear fall over to your right shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, bring your head back on top of your neck. Inhale. Exhale, left ear to your left shoulder. Take a big breath in. Breathe out, let your head fall back to your chest. Breathe in, sitting up nice and tall. Shoulder circles are next. Relax your hands to the side of your body. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, rotate and roll down your back. Again, inhale, lift up. Exhale, rotate and roll. One more time, let your breath move your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Inhale, stretch your arms out to the side of you like you're stretching out of bed. And then you're going to take your right hand to the side of you. Left arm reaches over. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Coming back to center. Breathing out. Stretch the other way. Taking the left hand down. Right arm stretches. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale, come back to center. Bring your hands behind your back. You're going to interlace your fingers. Roll the shoulders onto the back. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Relaxing the hands down. Look down to your belly. Bring your hands to your belly. Imagine there's a balloon in your belly. And your only job in this moment is to fill the belly full with air and breathe out, deflate your balloon, letting the belly relax back and in. Breathing in, fill your belly like a balloon full, full, full. Breathe out, pull back and in. Very good. Again, inhale, fill your belly full. Exhale, hug your belly back and in. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Bringing your head back on top of your neck, your hands back to your knees. Good night.